We have already done distance formula and section formula. Today we are introducing midpoint formula from coordinate geometry. Now we introduce the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? See, suppose this is a line joining two points A whose coordinates are x1, y1 and B whose coordinates are x2 and y2. Then the middle point, the center point, okay, of this line will be given by this formula, and this formula is called midpoint formula. This is an application of section formula. Section formula bada nai aako yo midpoint formula ho. Section formula ma जुन चाहिँ m:n रेशियो हुन्थ्यो त्यो चाहिँ 1:1 हुन्छ, किनभने बीचमा हुन्छ नि त्यो, त्यसले गर्दा यसलाई m:n लाई हामी 1:1 मान्छ। त्यसले गर्दा m र n लेख्नु पर्दैन। सो सेक्सन फर्मुलामा m र n को जग्गामा 1 र 1 लगाए भने we will get this. Okay, so x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is what is midpoint formula. Now see, for an example, there are 2 points 3, 4 and 5, 2, and you have to find the midpoint of this line joining the points. Then we will let the midpoint as xy. Okay, then what we will do, we will use the formula. It is very easy. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2 formula we will use. For x1 we will use 3, for x2 we will use 5 by 2, 3 plus 5 8, 8 by 2 gives us 4. So the value of the abscissa x will be 4. And for y it is easy, y1 plus y2 by 2, y1 is 4, y2 is 2, you write them, add them and divide them, you get the ordinate to be 3. So what will be the coordinates of the midpoint? 4 and 3. Similarly, here is another example. The coordinates of the first point is 5 minus 2 and the second point is 2, 2, and you have to find the coordinate of the midpoint. We will let it as xy and we will use the midpoint formula. It is very easy, it is easier than section formula. Okay, section formula भन्दा एकदम सजिलो छ किनभने यहाँ m र n को भ्यालु 1 र 1 चलेको हुन्छ, त्यसले गर्दा लेख्नु पर्दैन. Okay, so x1 छ 5, y2 छ 2, 2. Okay, so 5 plus 2 gives us 7 by 2. Okay, this you cannot divide, keep it like that. And y1 is minus 2 plus y2 is 2. So minus 2 plus 2 gives us 0, 0 by 2 is 0. So what are the coordinates of the midpoint? Which point ko coordinates kati huncha? X र y abscissa र ordinate ko value 7 by 2 र 0. Okay. One more example we have here. Here are 4 questions. Okay, sub questions. You have to find the midpoint. 1 I have done. The 3 are your DIYs. And the DIYs ekdam garnai parcha. Now one last question I am doing it. x1 y1 x2 y2 is given. Okay. Now यहाँ याद गर्नुपर्ने कुरा के छ भन्दाखेरि x2 र y2 चाहिँ नेगेटिभ छ भने चाहिँ नि ब्र्याकेट लगाएर त्यो भ्यालु हाल्नुपर्छ. पिछाडीपट्टि नेगेटिभ छ भने चाहिँ ब्र्याकेट लगाउनु, you put the bracket and you use the value. Okay, then you have to multiply the two signs, plus minus minus, you get that you have to do. Okay, x2, if x2 is negative then also you have to put bracket, if y2 is negative then also you have to put bracket. Okay, this is very easy, you can see. Okay, and here are 3 DIYs. I've given it to you. Okay, and 0 divided by any number gives us 0, don't forget that. Okay, and then remember this.